Warm start. Not aggressive at all. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. I'm running late. I honestly didn't even think I'd make it to this meet because I thought I was gonna work today, and then turns out I wasn't, and so I didn't plan for this meet. I honestly don't even know where I'm going. I gotta find that before I leave, but I think it's the Indian Creek Cars and Coffee that Track Shark puts on. Almost like a season opener. They have their main season opener, but this is like, I think, their first event of the year. So that's where I'm going. Like I said, super last minute. I didn't expect to go, but here we go. I'm running late, but they're done by 12, so hopefully I make it there, get some good content. Let's head out there. Okay, I think I'm gonna park here. Should have washed the car, it's a bit dirty. It's kind of gross actually, but it's fine. I'm not in the show. I think we should be fine here. I think the show's up there, but just walking around, dude, this is crazy. Check out the M4. This thing's kind of clean. My brother has one. I've been telling him to slam it, put it on wheels. He hasn't done it. That one looks pretty damn good. I think this is an M5. I like the M5. I thought about getting an M5, but something about N series and their insurance, so I'm just like, maybe that'll be the next car. Now, how do I get over there? I think I gotta go this way. Another M4, carbon fenders. I want to do that to the Mustang. I want to put carbon fenders on Mustang. A G. I had one of these and I got rid of it because I wasn't into it. Thought I was gonna like it. I liked them in high school. And then I got one I didn't like anymore. Dream car. Even got one on the hood. Matte black M3. What even is this? An M2? It's a 4-door. 228i. I didn't know they made 2 series and 4 doors. Quiet 1. Red Bull. I think this is the M5 we went on a cruise with a couple weeks ago. Yeah, it is. This guy hit me up on TikTok. He wants to trade hoods. What do you guys think? Should I do it? I kind of like the stock hood. I don't like how I can't see out of mine. I wonder what he's lowered on. I like his fitment.
I don't think they do.
M4 comp. I've been thinking about bagging the daily, but I heard the bags are really hard to maintain. Like it's a lot of maintenance to bag, but also they ride really nice. Go check out this RX-7. That wing is crazy. Low-key want a Bronco. These guys are like a little bit much, but low-key, I like the way they look. I like the way these look. I like the 4 doors. Dude, that interior is crazy. STO. Another STO. This one's pretty crazy. This thing's kind of cool.
Not much
BRZ. I still want to build a BRZ. BRZ FRS. I guess a lot of these guys got Whipples. It's crazy. This thing's got a fat tire setup. I was walking back to the car and then I stopped. I'm like, this thing's crazy. Well, that was kind of cool. There's a meet later. It's a midnight meet. Let's see if I can set you guys up. I'm gonna try to show up to that. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be less people. So I'll probably just pick up the camera later today. We'll see what shows up there later. I should be asleep. Neighbors probably are. I better turn this thing to quiet before I start it. It's not too bad. I don't think. No, that's kind of bad. All right, so like I mentioned earlier, it's roughly 12 hours later. Meet here at 11. Down the road, honestly down the road, which is kind of cool. So we're gonna go hit that up. I'm gonna try not to be out too late, but we'll see how this goes. And then tomorrow at like 4:30 there's a cruise, so maybe we'll go hit that as well. I don't know, this vlog's gonna be all over the place, but I said I was gonna do content this year. I said I was gonna try and get more content for you guys this year. But yeah, I need coffee. I woke up early, I went to the gym, and here we are. Yeah, it's kind of late, so I'm gonna go get a Red Bull so I can stay up, because I'm pretty sure past my bedtime, I'll be honest. This weekend, pretty solid for car content. I'm gonna go chase it. I can drink a Red Bull or two and be fun. It'd actually be like my second one of the day and a coffee. So that's a lot of caffeine for one day, but we're gonna send it, boys. Red Bull acquired. What flavor is your guys' favorite? It's between this one for me or the blueberry, I think it is. It's one of the blues, it's not the Juneberry. We made it, boys. I didn't know this part of town existed, but here we are. Alright boys, I ended up hanging out there for like an hour or so. I walked through, there's people coming in and out, and I was just like, I don't know, man. It just feels weird, everybody hanging out in groups, and I just got like, I don't know. I mean, it was cool. I went, looked at cars, that's what I was going for, so that was cool. But it's late, I'm tired, debating on if I want to go to the gym in a few hours. I don't know. If I go to that cruise tomorrow, you'll see it. If not, video ends here. What's up guys? So it's the next day. Just got the car washed, about to head out. Does need a good detail because I'm noticing that like these corners, they're like holding like dirt. I don't know. It's gonna need a detail, but for the most part, it's clean. It was really dirty earlier, so at least I got most of it off. So I guess after the drive, there's a meet. I don't know where, but we're gonna end up at a meet. It's like a Mustang group meet, and so the drive is just a bunch of people, but the meet is a Mustang meet, I believe. So we'll see where we end up. I did not bring the GoPro. I just realized I did not bring the GoPro. So I'm gonna put my phone on the head mount like I do when I'm doing podcasts. Trying to get some POVs for you guys. Yeah. Well, they said off the airport exit and then back on the freeway, right?
I have no clue. I'm probably about to just go home because I don't know.
I was following you guys because I don't know where I'm going either.
Yeah. I'm like, well, these people are following me because I don't know where the fuck I'm going.
Yeah. So I guess we got lost. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go back to Eagle Road, and then I'll just put the destination for the meat spot. Because I think we wasted all the time waiting here. I don't know. I think they got confused. I have an idea of where we're going. Well, that sucks. So I was gonna cruise with them, but they got lost too. So the meat ended up being really small, so I ended up leaving. I gotta get ready for the week, so I'm gonna end the video here. I know it was a bit all over the place. The cruise kind of sucked. I hope I got enough content from the meats. The meats were kind of cool. The 2 meats yesterday were kind of cool. Today, not so much, I'll be honest. Kind of bummed out about today. I was looking forward to today. I was looking forward to the drive. Then we got lost. There's always next weekend. I'm following Firebird, so I might head out to the track. I think Apex, they set up the drift events around here. I think they have some events coming up soon as well, so I'll go and try and hit those up. But like I said, I got nothing for today. I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.